A customer asked us to change the D2 data interface to SBus before shipment.so that he can directly link his flight control equipment after receiving the goods. Our wireless video data link has 3 data interfaces, D1, D2, and D3. As long as the customer requires, we can change D2 to support SBus or RS485 interface. We can add an RS232 TTL converter SBus module to the inside of the transceiver box. This video is to demonstrate and test whether the SBus modification is successful. Here we receive the UART data sent by the computer through a UART-to-SBus module, and then through this UART-to-SBus module, simulate receiving the SBus signal from the drone operating joystick, and send it to our wireless video data link receiver, D2 interface, which has been modified to SBus in. D2 now can receive the SBus data in. On the other side, we also connected a wireless video data link transmitter, which is a device connected to the drone. It will send the received SBus signal to the drone's flight control device through the D2 data interface. Now it is SBus out. We don't have drones and flight control equipment here to simulate the SBus receiving process. Through 2 modules, the received SBus signal is converted into UART and sent to the computer. The computer screen shows it has received the data of the SBus, which simulates the whole process of the SBus sending and receiving through our wireless video data link. If the customer connects his flight control equipment and drone with the SBus out here, he will receive the SBus signal from a far away distance like a computer, and then he can control the drone by his operating joystick, even in our another test video over 110 kilometers long-range video data test. Why do we use D2 instead of D3 to change to the SBus interface? Because D3 is a multi-purpose interface. In addition to the common RS232 TTL data function, it is also a special interface for UART commands. The web UI can do some common configurations. Engineers often use UART commands to query and modify parameters through the D3 interface. So we can use D2 to modify it to SBus or RS485 interface.